Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to share that TLT is breaking highs for the month. Well, it broke highs for the month. For the weekly, we just created new highs yesterday of 151, I think 93 were the actual wick highs. So 93, actually 151.95. We actually just broke that pre-market, and I think that TLT is going to pop again towards the upside. As soon as we break 152 and we stay there, like we close there for the day, I think that we're headed straight back to 170. I think 170 is almost a for sure thing. But again, we need to close above 152. After that 152, I think that, like I said, it's going to be a pretty nice pop up to the upside, which means if bonds go up, that means the stock market's going to fall, yields are going to fall, big tech is going to fall, and by my running theory, GameStop is going to run. Again, this is just a running theory for now, but I want TLT to close at 152 or higher sometime this week. So I'm more confident about this play because you guys already know I am holding 8 contracts for expiring next year, currently up about 57%. I'm hoping this hits 100% pretty soon, but even if it does hit 100%, I'm not selling anything because my price target for this specifically will actually be 170 or around that range. And if 170 hits, I might sell half and let everything else run, because I don't know how high TLT can actually run, since 170 is the all-time high. I think it has a strong chance of actually running to 200 by next year, but you never know. So I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to give you guys a quick bond update, and we'll kind of go from there.